Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So this time Chloe Ting has come up with a brand new June 2021 21 days challenge. So I will be starting this challenge from today. This challenge has been recently published on our channel. So I think day 2 and day 3 are yet to be arrived. So I'm very much excited to start this challenge at the very first day. So if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe it so that you will get all the notification regarding my journey throughout the series. So starting today, I will be sharing you my experience and the result throughout the journey. I will keep on posting it on weekly basis, what all changes I'm experiencing and what impact I'm getting.
If I get any.
That also we need to check if we get any changes or not with this exercise. So please stay tuned to my channel and subscribe it for all the notification, and let's get started.
So this is the weight I just measured. It says my weight is 55.10 kilograms, and my protein composition is 15.2 percentage. That is low. Body fat is 34.3%, which is quite high, and the muscles is 34.18 kilograms, so which is relatively low. So let's start the workout and see how the result changes.
So today is the first day of June 2021 Chloe Ting 21 day challenge. So today we are having two workouts. One is full body and another one is abs workout. So I'm hoping I would be able to complete both of them. So let's get started. So both the exercises of day 1 is now completed. I have burned a total 245 calories in 30 minutes. It was quite a challenging workout, the intense one. If you do not have dumbbells, then it's absolutely fine. You can do it without them as well. So day 1 completed, 20 more days to go. Let's finish the challenge. So friends, today is day 2nd of Chloe Ting 2021 challenge. So today there will be two workouts. Those two workouts are same, legs and booty, 15 minutes workout. So you need to repeat that workout again. So that will be a total of 30 minutes. So I'm looking forward to finish it. Let's do it. First workout is done, guys, and you can see how much I'm sweating right now. Now the second one is left. This is the same. We need to repeat the first one. So let's get it. So guys, both the workouts are now completed. It was a tough one, especially the single leg deadlift. That was a tricky one, very difficult for me to perform. One advice here, if you are having any exercise that requires the balancing of the body, so just try to stare at a single point anywhere in your room, and once you gaze at that point, the balance exercise become easy and you are able to do the balancing thing. So for today I have burnt 270 calories. I don't know if you're able to see. So 270 calories for day 2. It was good. So let's meet at day 3 tomorrow. Let's finish it. Finally, day 3 is completed, and today I have burned a total of 170 calories. So before doing this kind of weightlifting exercises, I would like to advise you to do some stretching and warm-ups before starting them, because that will save your body from any kind of injury. And also try to wear some kind of wristbands or maybe gloves like this with the wristband support. That will also save your wrist and will help it to be less prone to injuries. So see you on day 4. Day 4 is off. It's a rest day, so I'm very happy for tomorrow. So let's meet on day 5 and finish this. Day 6 completed, guys. I'm very much happy and my body is that much sore right now. So day 7 is off, and I'm very excited to share you the results of the starting day 6, and that will be our part 1 of Glow Eating workout series. And in part 2 I will share the complete results of 21 days. So subscribe to my channel, stay tuned to it to get all the notification and updates.
So here is the result from day 1 to day 7, though I am not observing any kind of physical changes, but yes, there is definitely a change when we check the body fat and muscle mass. So my body fat has reduced from 34.3% to 34.2, that is only 0.1% of change. And in muscle I have gained from 34.18 kilograms to 34.50 kilograms, which is pretty good in just 5 days.
So results are out, guys, for the first 6 days, and I'm very happy with the results because I was not at all expecting any kind of changes during these days, because it was just effectively it was only 5 days of workout because day 4 was off, and it was too early to judge if any kind of workout would work in such a short duration of time, but the result after seeing them, I am shocked and surprised and happy because gaining muscle mass in just 5 days is like awesome. Now I am super excited to see what result it gives me after 21 days. So please stay tuned to my channel, subscribe it so that you get the notification once I upload my 21 days result, and this time I am expecting a huge change.